basically just a snowy scene with a present in the batch. So I made this scraper and I wanted to just, you know, look like not really a hill, but just kind of a snowy, I guess, view. Like just, you know, snow building up in little mounds and whatnot. So that's what it looks like. And then I just put a present in the snow and then did kind of a snowy sky. Just, you know, a snowy night. That's so a relatively simple design. And I don't know if it feels too simple. I think it will grow on me. I think it just wasn't 100% what I was expecting when I cut it. So like I said, it's just kind of a little snowy scene with a present in it. And I don't know. I think maybe I was just expecting a little something more. I don't know if I should have made the wave a little bit more pronounced. Making it go a little lower, especially since I put the present in, but I don't know. This is one of those, I cut it and I'm just like very indecisive. I think it's simple and cute. I feel like it's missing something, but I don't know what. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it. I do like it, don't get me wrong. I think what the soap is perfectly fine and cute. I think my brain just was expecting something different and it has to reconcile what I got. And once it does, it'll be like, okay, yeah, that's cute. So if you want to, like, making these presents is actually really simple. I used the square column mold from Brambleberry. I think you can find it on like Amazon, and I think Wholesale Supplies Plus sells it too. And then I extruded the bow, which I do sell that disc, and then I just put it on top to create a little present, which I think I really like them. And you can see the top ones, I just cut slices and then dipped them in glitter. Anyways, there you have it. Let me know what you think.